Hey, just a quick shout out to encourage you to post and share this on your Instagram, your Facebook with all your friends. We are going to be launching a new wonderful group nutrition class, a series of 4. There's more to come, but they're going to be covering things right around the corner starting Tuesday next week, the 17th of February. We're going to kick it off with immune boosters and busters. It's going to be followed the next Tuesday with food addiction 911. And then after that, on Tuesday, March 3rd, first Tuesday, we're going to do Sleep Deep class on quality sleep. All 3 of these, by the way, work synergistically together. You can come to one or all, but they help tremendously with health and weight goals. And then we're going to top it off with the fun March 17th class on meal prep. And each of the classes include live recipes, and you get to keep the booklet. And the meal prep class, you're going to have 28 new recipes to balance your plate and pull all the wonderful things you learned in all the classes together. Even if you can't come, please do people a favor. We're doing a special intro where we're doing a 2-for-1, and it's only $5 for our Healthy Cooking members and only $10 for our non-members, but 2-for-1 cuts that price in half. We would do it free, only we've had classes that are free, and sometimes people will register and then they won't turn up, and then we bought that food and we've wasted our time in food. But share it with others so they know and can come, and let's just build this and do this together. We have this wonderful wellness launch. We had amazing turnout for that. About 47 people, I believe, and one of the couples shared their testimony, what going to these classes have meant to them, and then privately found out afterwards that he actually lost 100 pounds, which is incredible. So everybody wants to look their best and feel their best, and we want the answer to be food and no gimmicks, no hype, things that really, really work on these wonderful topics. And if you can't come to the scheduled ones, got another option for you. You can actually host a group class and choose the topic you want. There's more topics than these, and the day and the time that suits your group best. It can be at our venue or yours. We just love to teach. I'm a certified nutritionist, Marianne, with Healthy Cooking in McKinney, Texas, and we're here to serve, and we hope that you'll share and spread the word, and thank you for that. You guys have a blessed day. Oh, and before I forget, the flyer also says we're so thankful Dr. Alda's coming back to do another class in May, which is a Saturday, and that is going to be on Alzheimer's. So definitely think about others. I can tell you that there were several people at the wellness class, wellness launch that we did recently that said, oh my goodness, I so wish I had brought someone. This was too good to not share. So if you can't come, share it with others so they can. Thanks, and we'll look forward to seeing you. And again, these classes include wonderful live recipes in class and a booklet you get to take home, and all the latest research on these wonderful topics that really impact your day. The best place to find out about the details and getting your tickets is going to healthycookingoftexas.com. Click on the upper right-hand corner tab called What's Happening, and that'll take you to the Eventbrite events where you can read details and get your ticket. And thanks again for sharing. Instagram, Facebook, word of mouth, everything works. Thanks.